and it actually does that. As you can see my skin, can you like, this is me coming close to my camera so you can actually, I have no makeup on. If it doesn't work, I will not have 3 of this. If it doesn't work, I will not have 3 of this because hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This FaceFacts Ceramide Serum, as you can see, I have used quite a lot of it. So with this, I can actually give my own honest review because I've used a good number of this product. So first of all, this is the Ceramide Serum from FaceFacts. This serum has been going so viral, and that is actually one of the reasons I got it, because I wanted to know, was the hype real, or was it just, hype? Was it just marketing, or was it just, all this TikTok hype? So when I got it because of my skin barrier. I was having so much sensitivity around my nose area. This part is usually very, very red and irritated. So that is actually why I got it. And let me tell you, the first night I used this serum, the next morning when I woke up, I noticed a visible difference. That place was not as red and irritated as it usually is, and I was not having any burning sensation when I washed my face. When I went to take my bath that morning, I usually have a little bit of sensitivity around that area. I did not feel that sensitivity. It was not as sensitive as it usually is, and that is actually why I was like, wow. I continue using this product, and I've noticed visible results when it comes to my acne. I am an acne prone girly, so this actually helped my skin, because when your skin barrier is strengthened, you tend to have fewer skin issues like acne, sensitivity, breakouts, and all that, because most of those things come as a result of your damaged skin barrier. So this is actually very, very good. For the price, I got this, the first time I got it for 3,750, and that was actually very, very affordable for how effective it is. I am someone that I love to change products. I love to use one product. Even if that product works, I like to try other things, so I can actually come and drop my review on this channel. But this one, I had to go and get 3 of it because it was so good. I was so blown away. Anybody that tells you that they use this product and it whitens their skin, it lightens their skin, is actually a lie, because it doesn't contain any lightening ingredients, any brightening ingredients. Hyaluronic acid is a plumping ingredient. Panthenol helps sensitive skin, helps with dry skin, and then ceramides helps to repair your skin barrier. It does not have anything that's going to brighten your skin. But most times when your skin barrier, you do not have damaged skin barrier, your skin tends to look better, tends to look more alive, more brighter, and that is actually what some people might see and say it brightens their skin. But that is actually just their skin barrier being repaired, and then their skin, waking up and looking brighter, looking more healthy. Because when your skin barrier is damaged, there's nothing you are going to do that your skin is going to actually receive and glow. Your skin will never glow. That's one thing. If your skin barrier is damaged, if you put the heaven and earth, apply this, apply that, it will never. Don't let anybody tell you. That's why once you notice that your skin barrier is damaged, you need to actually stop everything you're doing and go and get a serum, get a cleanser, get face creams, get things that will help repair that skin barrier, because you are going to just be wasting money. There's nothing you do on a damaged skin that is going to reflect. It's going to look as if you're doing skincare, but your skin is not caring. That is why once you notice that your skin barrier is damaged, once you notice any skin sensitivity, pause using all the products you are doing. Just pause it and then check, and then get something to tackle and heal your skin barrier. You can actually pair this with an active, because it helps to reduce the effects that those actives will have on your skin. So if you're someone that you're using lactic acid, salicylic acid, this is also a serum that you need to be using, because it is going to help cut down on the side effects that those actives will have on your skin. Because salicylic acid can damage your skin barrier, because it is a very, very exfoliating active. Lactic acid, these are very, very active ingredients, so this is going to help keep the risk of having irritations from using these actives at a minimum. This is very, very good, guys. If you can get it, go and get it. I don't think it is very, very scarce. You can actually go to the supermarkets, order this on Jumia at their official store on Jumia. This is very, very nice. This should not be crossing 5,000 or 5,500 at most. That is if you are going to a place that they sell their things expensive. But I got my own for 4,750 not long ago. This particular serum can actually be used by any skin type: oily skin, combination skin, dry skin, normal skin. Any skin type can actually use this, because it is very, very good. Everybody needs to use a product that is going to help strengthen their skin barrier, because most times we are using all these actives, we're using lactic acid, using salicylic acid, using all these, you know, active products in our skincare. And most of these active products or even lightening products tend to weaken our skin barrier and tend to damage our skin barrier. So when you use this helps to strengthen your skin barrier. It is very, very good, because most times when your skin barrier is damaged, nothing you do on your skin, there is nothing you apply on your skin that you're going to see results. It is just going to be getting worse and even more irritated. That's why this is very, very essential. It works, guys. If it doesn't work, I will not have 3 of this. If it doesn't work, I will not have 3 of this, because Jesus, I almost broke my serum. Jesus Christ. So if it doesn't work, I will not have bought 3 of this. It works. I am someone that I like to, you know, experiment. I like to try new things. But for me to have gone back 3 times to this serum, you have to know that it actually works. I'm someone that gets easily bored when it comes to products, but this one I have found something I'm going to stick with. And the last time I went to get it, the first time I got it for 3,750, and the next time I went to get the second one I saw it for 4,750, and that is what I was like, wow. I had to actually now buy 2 the same time, because I did not know if it's going to, you know, keep rising or the price is going to keep going high, because it is very, very good. I just hope that the price doesn't keep skyrocketing, because it is so nice, and I intend to actually continue using it. This is a very, very nice serum. It's an effective serum. FaceFacts really outdid themselves when it comes to this serum. It is a 30 ml bottle. This is actually what it looks like. It is so beautiful, guys, so beautiful. I love it. It does not make your face feel greasy. When you apply this on your face, you see that plump look on your face. Your face looks very, very shiny and moisturized, and that is because of the hyaluronic acid it contains. It is very, very, very nice, guys. You can use this in the morning and also at night. It does not select. It's not like all those other active serums that you have to use at night only, because, you know, it makes your skin sensitive to the sun, like, you know, lactic acid and salicylic acid. This one can be used at any time you want to use it, the morning, the afternoon, the evening, anytime. This is very, very, very good, and I love it. I will be repurchasing it and repurchasing it and repurchasing it. So if you have been thinking of getting these products, then you can actually go ahead and get it. I will not buy something 3 times if it's not good. This is very, very nice, guys. I love it, and it also has been helping my breakouts, because I break out really, really easily if I eat things that are oily, if I'm stressed. Anything will make me break out, basically. But this has been helping keep my breakouts under control. Get this serum, use it, and come and drop your own comment, drop your review. You are going to love it. I was underestimating it, because the first time I got it was 3,750. I was like, oh, I just wanted to try it, because it was getting hyped, and I wanted to see, is this real, is it just hype? Because most of these products we are seeing these days that are getting, you know, that are very, very viral, they are everywhere. It's just hype. There's nothing special about these products. It's just marketing. These brands know how to push their product. They know how to, you know, keep their products in our faces, and that makes you think that, oh, this product is very, very nice. Everybody's talking about it, but that does not mean that the product is, you know, that good. But this one, it's worth the hype. It does what it claims to do. It claims to repair your skin barrier, and it actually does that. As you can see, my skin. Can you like, this is me coming close to my camera so you can actually, I have no makeup on, I have lip gloss, I have no makeup on, and this is actually my skin. This is the only serum I am using presently, just so you know. This is the only serum. I use a face cleanser, I use this serum, I use a toner, I use a sunscreen. This is the only serum I am currently using right now. If you are using a lot of products, you tend not to know the one that is working, and that is actually why I'm using this one only for now, to actually see effects on my skin, and I'm loving this. So guys, we have come to the end of today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, please give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe to this channel so we can grow, and I will see you in my next video.